All right, here goes nothing. Nothing like that first incision. Oh, you know, I always get a kick out of their packaging. Why did the box have to be so big? Shove that aside. That is tiny. iPhone battery pack by MagSafe. So there's usually there it is, right there. Glasses time. Okay, iPhone battery pack. Shows that it's sticking to an Apple iPhone. Nice. And that's about it. Okay, so do we just pull open? Does it? Okay, I did that little thing right there. There we go. So if you pull really hard, and then it just slides out. Nice. Designed by Apple in California. Holy cow. A bunch of product manuals. Yeah, I'm never going to read those. Recyclable. It is smaller than I thought. Okay, my favorite part. Taking off the wax paper. Okay, so that's really smooth, and that's, yeah, it's not completely shiny, more of a matte finish. It does not come with a cable. I actually thought it did. And what do you know? That's USB-C, isn't it? Well, I'll be darned. Well, I'm actually filming on my iPhone 12, so let me grab, I'll just grab a different phone. It says it's Qi compatible, so let's try it with the, which phone is this? Let's try it with the OnePlus 9 Pro. Here we go. That was anticlimactic. Okay, I do not have a MagSafe compatible case. Okay, it did kind of suction on there. Yes, I was watching one of my... I mean, it's on there, but it's not charging. Oops, you are using an abnormal amount of battery. In apps too much battery, your phone will suggest actions. You can always turn off battery saver. Okay, good to know. So it's sucking onto my OnePlus, but does nothing. Let's try Samsung. Now, of course, this is designed for Apple, so this would be negative tests or compatibility testing. It's not working with my Samsung either. I guess this awesome Poetic case that I have is not compatible with MagSafe. All right. Well, my first impressions are I like it. I am surprised. So here's lightning port. Nope. See, lightning port doesn't work. So now I'm going to have to use my USB-C cables. No, wait, lightning does work. It is lightning port. I am so sorry. Okay, that makes sense because all the iPhones are lightning port. It really looked like USB-C, didn't it? It did look like USB-C. So now it's charging. So let me switch phones. Hang on.